Wow, there's so many fish here. Although the lake is not very big, but I think it is beautiful. Let me take back my words. That's an ordinary place. It's not. This is the back side of the hostel I'm staying in. The plan right now is to go to Dal Lake. There's a lake called Dal Lake. I was planning to go there yesterday to have my breakfast. There's a cafe near Dal Lake which comes recommended by one of my Tibetan viewers, Redeem Cafe. But while I was on my way there, I bumped into the Tibetan grandmas, and you must have seen that vlog. And they asked me to sit down with them, and then I had Indian breakfast with Tibetan grandmas. So today, now it's 7 in the morning, and I'm planning to go to Dal Lake. Not very much looking forward to looking at the lake, because I've seen the vlogs, and I don't know, maybe in person it's more beautiful, but it's ordinary lake, to be honest. But after looking at that place, we will have breakfast. Why is this dog barking so much? थोड़ा थोड़ा याद आता है. आप थोड़ा सा वहाँ देखो.
ये क्या है?
Have some.
It's good.
Do you want to buy this? It's not easy to sell. उनकी एक फोटो ले सकता हूँ क्या मैं? किसी को मिले तो आप ताज लेक बोलते हो. अभी मैं जा रहा हूँ तो मैं क्या बोल सकता हूँ? Again we are flaunting the Tibetan yak 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 t-shirt. यहाँ पे best Tibetan restaurant कौन सा रहेगा?
Tibetan restaurant.
You missed the place.
We missed the place and want to go back.
And this is the way. Good morning. This is the way from where you come from down below, go up there to the hostel. So every time I have to go to the hostel or go down, I have to climb up and down these stairs. There are about 150 steps, they say. And after these steps, we have a road, very steep road, but that road is also dug up right now. So it's kind of a trek to go to the hostel and go down. And every day, at least every day, I've gone thrice down. So yeah, so it's all the food that I'm having, all the calories that I'm consuming. It's a good exercise to burn all those calories. Climbing down is a little easier on your lungs, but it's more difficult on your knees. Climbing up, on the other hand, is easier on your knees, and there are a bunch of cafes also on the way here. That's one. This is another one. There's one Spanish restaurant also. So I thought if they speak Spanish over there, then we would make a food vlog, a Spanish food vlog, and we'll speak our Spanish because we know Spanish now. But I asked them, and they don't speak Spanish there. It's just Spanish cuisine. But right now we're here to explore Tibetan cuisine, so we will continue to explore Tibetan cuisine. Join me to Dal Lake and then to the breakfast. Unless something interesting happens on the way, I'll see you at Dal Lake. Oh my God, I got bitten by the plant. You see, they left some thorns, little thorns in my fingers. Let me pluck them out. It's burning. And I see the Tibetan grandma again sitting on a bench there. Tajdarek, good morning. Dal Lake जा रहा हूँ मैं.
हाँ, बहुत अच्छा है.
यहाँ से ही है, McLeodganj से ही आएगा ना?
डल लेक जाना. हाँ, यहाँ से सीधा चौक से फिर आगे ऐसे ही रोड है. बहुत अच्छा.
ठीक है, आज वो देखेंगे.
अच्छा जी.
अच्छा
है बहुत.
चलो मिलते हैं फिर.
अच्छा जी.
So this is the Tibetan grandma with whom I had yesterday's breakfast. You can watch that vlog here. This is the tea stall where I had my yesterday's breakfast with Tibetan grandmas, and this man just arrived, so I'll have tea here because by the time I reach Dal Lake I'll have to walk for an hour and I have some rumbling going on in my stomach, so I'll have a black tea. This is the shop. क्या क्या मिलता है यहाँ पे?
अभी तो मैगी ब्रेड ऑमलेट चाय है।
और वैसे क्या क्या रखते हो?
वैसे मोमो है।
मोमो भी रखते हो?
चिकन मोमो, वेज मोमो।
ओके।
आलू मोमो, पालक मोमो।
आलू पालक मोमो भी आता है?
हाँ।
अच्छा, खाना पड़ेगा फिर कभी।
चॉकलेट मोमो भी बनाता है। आजकल नहीं बनाता।
अभी नहीं बनाते हो?
काम है ना।
काम है अभी।
अभी है नहीं जल्दी।
Okay, so currently he sells aloo, what? Bread omelette and what did he say? I'll have to look at the video and then you heard it. So he was saying that he keeps momos also, several types of momos, but right now because the business is low, he's not selling momos. But this is how the joint looks like. आप हिमाचल से ही हो ना?
उत्तराखंड।
आप उत्तराखंड से हो? Okay. This tea stall, my Tibetan grandmas were saying that they sit here every day. This is a very good man. Yesterday he actually brought some parathas prepared by his wife and he shared with the grandmas and myself. So apparently he is a good man. This tea stall is when you go from McLeodganj market towards Baksunath, you see this tea stall. You can sit down here, have your tea, have a chat. He even asked me to sit inside, so I'll now sit down here. यहाँ पे चाय बहुत मीठी बनती है नहीं?
ये पहाड़ी एरिया ना।
अच्छा, तो एनर्जी लगती है लोगों को।
थोड़ा ज़्यादा मीठा, टिबेटन लोग तो नहीं मीठा ज़्यादा यूज़ करते हैं ना। तो यहाँ के लोकल हैं थोड़ा मीठा तेज।
मीठा ज़्यादा चाहिए उनको। हाँ, पहाड़ में
कहीं भी चले जाओ,
एनर्जी लगती है।
उत्तराखंड चले जाओ, कहीं शिमला मनाली।
Yeah, now I understand. So I'd heard that in Himachal tea is very sweet, and yesterday I had tea. It was sweet. Now, because sugar has, as bad as it is, it's a source of glucose. So in the mountain region, people require more energy. So I think that is justified. You can have sweeter tea. So this is our red tea, Sinasukar. So this is the way to the lake. Touch the lake. We came from there. So if you go down this road, then you will see the main market square of McLeodganj. That's where we're coming from. And now we're entering the thick of the jungle where the lake is located. Well, it's not really a jungle. There's a proper road. But yeah, there are trees all around and sunlight is not entering here. Touch the lake. It's 44 minutes by walk from here. So we have a long walk ahead, and I see some monkeys as well. It's a big one. Good, you're scared. Be scared. I won't do anything to your kid. Is that your kid or your woman? I've heard they're very nasty. They steal your stuff when you're not looking. So let's get out of here before one of them grabs the camera and starts vlogging. You don't want to see their vlog, right? You want to see my vlog. You want to see the Tibetan food vlogs. Wow, look at this mountain now. Wow, this is going to be, even though it's a long walk from here, it's going to be a nice walk because the sunlight is not coming here, so it's not hot. Hello, good morning. It's not hot, it's very pleasant. Touch the leg. So people are walking, taking their morning walk. Some people are running, some people are cycling. Nice and scenic walk in the mountains of Himachal. There is one road going up and one is here, and the map is not really helping me decide which one is the way. So let me ask someone here. Touch the lake. डल लेक यहीं से आएगा? हाँ यहाँ पे। और ये ऊपर क्या है? ऊपर क्या बोले? ऊपर घर में है ये जरा। अच्छा, लेकिन डल लेक का रास्ता यही है ना? थैंक यू, थैंक यू। उस तरफ है? हाँ ठीक है, थैंक यू। डल लेक, टच द लेक। Thank you. Okay, so here's our way, and then we take right, left. The lake must be somewhere there. Touch the lake. What is this here? It looks like a cave. No, it's just a bridge here. There's a drinking water source here. This water is actually flowing from the mountain. It's a streaming water. So that's why there's no tap and it's constantly running. Let's have some natural drinking water as well. How do we have it? We don't have a glass though. So this is what we will do. Directly from the nature. Nice idea. 35 minutes now. And it's not a straight way up. This is Dal Lake. Beautiful. Is it beautiful? Let's find out. And after walking for about 30 minutes, we've arrived at this place. There is some locality. People are living here. We still have to walk for about a kilometer or so before we reach the Dal Lake, and then there are some cafes also. So of course there would be people living here. I'm not surprised to see this, but yeah, just showing you that we reached here. This is the other side of that building. It is staff quarters for TCV, which is Tibetan Children's Village School. So apparently the staff live here. The Tibetans who are settled outside of India, many of them may have attended TCV. My friend Duk from Bangalore has also attended this school, Tibetan Children Village School. So they may feel nostalgia by looking at this place. I still don't know where the school exactly is located, but if you can get to the school, we'll probably go there as well. नमस्ते सर, आपकी ये जो टोपी होती है उसको क्या बोलते हैं?
किस टोपी?
ये जो टोपी पहनते हैं हिमाचल में,
किस टोपी होती है? कुल्लू का
क्या बोलते हैं इसको?
ये हिंदी कुल टोपी।
कुल टोपी। आपकी फ़ोटो ले सकता हूँ मैं?
ले लो, मेरे को भेजना भी।
हाँ,
मेरे को भेजना भी।
फिर ज़रूर भेजेंगे। आपका नंबर बता देना तो भेज देंगे। व्हाट्सएप यूज़ करते हो? व्हाट्सएप?
ना।
तो कैसे भेजूँ मैं?
आप घर में होना पड़ता है। हाँ, घर में है, घर के पास।
अच्छा, घर में है फ़ोन ना?
हाँ।
तो आपका नंबर बताएंगे तो मैं भेज दूँगा। आपको दिखाता हूँ मैं अभी लेके, ठीक है? थोड़ा हंस सकते हैं? अच्छी लग रही है?
आओ।
आपका नाम क्या है?
अमरजीत।
अमरजीत। मेरा नाम दर्शन। थैंक यू। And here we are at the Dal Lake. This is Dal Lake. Look at this. Check out the water. I can see the fish in the water. Let me show you this with my other camera, the phone camera, which is better at capturing colors. Wow, there's so many fish here. Although the lake is not very big, but I think it is beautiful. Let me take back my words. That's an ordinary place. It's not. The lake is not very big, but this is extraordinary that you see so many fish just standing out here. And then there are these, which trees are these? Pine trees, maybe? I'm not very sure about all these things, but I think they are pine trees. And look at the mountain. So yeah, let me show you the fish with my phone camera, because I can zoom also there. Look at the mountain first. And now the lake. Even with this normal mode, without zoom, you can see the fish. And now let's get closer. Wow, the water is actually very clean, and that's a bigger fish there. This is amazing. And look at the pine trees close up. Let's observe the fish for some time. Never seen. I think if I go there, maybe if there's a way to get there and feed, if I want to feed the fish, I can simply extend my hand and they would all come over. Look at this one. It must be very easy to fish here. Must be really easy to fish in this lake. So there we saw the Dal Lake, and now we'll go and have the breakfast at Redeem Cafe, which is about 5 minutes further up this road. It's a beautiful location, and I was thinking that it would not be this beautiful, or it would be ordinary, because the vlogs that I've seen, in those vlogs I saw a lot of tourists here, and of course this is a tourist location, so I think if there are too many people here, then it may not appear this beautiful. But right now there are not a lot of tourists, and I've come here early in the morning, so it's really very beautiful. You can take a walk around the lake as well. There are some people walking over on that side. I might include the breakfast in a separate vlog, because if the walk towards this lake and everything is covering, let's say 10 to 15 minutes, which would be the standard size of my vlog, then I'll have to include the breakfast in a different one. So if this vlog is ending here, then it's to be continued to our breakfast. Hit that like button, smash the subscribe button, and don't forget, you know what now. See you at Redeem Cafe with some Tibetan breakfast. And finally, today we're going to have, if available, the dish that we've been waiting to have, and we've never found it so far, in Bangalore at least. But we've learned that we are going to find that dish here in Dharamshala. You can guess what dish I'm talking about. Let's see if we can find it today. Join me for another breakfast vlog or food vlog in the next one. Stay tuned.